Well, I've got an alignment of smart speakers here, and one of them happens to be a newer one. Hey folks, welcome back to techgooch, and I'm back here with another video for you. This is going to be specifically on the new third generation Echo Dot, and I actually have an allotment here to showcase and at least show you the kind of the progression of what's actually currently out there, to be honest. Specifically two of these at a discount because they are the previous generation, and also what you're gonna basically expect to get out of the newer Echo Dot, and maybe what also is out there is an option. The Google Home Mini, this hasn't changed yet, and this is still in direct comparison to the Echo Dot. Now, for those of you who have watched my videos in the past, the Echo Dot, this being the second generation Echo Dot, was probably one of the most popular smart speakers on the market last year. It really was. For its price point, starting at 49 bucks, you could still get it on discount like around the holidays for as cheap as $29. And right now, you can pick up one of these for $29. You can still get these. Go right over to your local Best Buy. I'm sure at other local stores as well. You can find these for about 29 bucks. The new one, which replaced the second gen, the third gen, is 49. Whether or not they're going to do some discount on this for the holiday season is yet to be seen, because obviously they still have a lot of these second gens out there. But we'll see. But that said, carries a lot of the same attributes that you got with the Echo Dot second gen. Still has the audio, the 3.5 millimeter audio headphone jack out. Still has a similar setup for buttons. However, they did change what the microphone button does look like. Otherwise, it's essentially the same setup. Looks-wise, has the fabric appearance like the Echoes started to last year, and like a lot of products, including Google's does. So it looks a little more elegant than the plastic Echo Dot second gen. So definitely upgrade there. When I actually pull this apart after we get done listening to them, I'll show you. This one is a little more power hungry. It's not running on USB power anymore. It actually has a dedicated power supply similar to what they did with the last year's Echo, and actually all the Echoes for that matter, other than the Echo Dot used to be. So this one will not run on USB power anymore. It does require a full AC connection. So I also have the Google Home Mini, and then the previous second gen Echo Dot as well, or I'm sorry, Echo, and that's just to showcase the volume comparison and the audio comparison, because even people that bought these were listening to music with them. Let's just be honest about it. So there's a lot of capability with these, but one of the biggest differences from last year's to this year's is the audio quality and volume. It is substantially louder. It is not a small amount. And so what we're going to do real quick right now is just run through all four of these to show kind of the progression. And I don't have the third gen Echo yet, but that's one thing that I'm sure that it sounds better as well. And they also are offering a sub as well coming out here that you can pair with even the Echo Dot to add that bass tone to it, because these are, all four of these don't really have considerable amounts of low frequency range at all. So with that said, we're going to play the same song on all four of these. Now the Google Home, I don't have Google Play Music, so I'm going to actually Bluetooth that off my phone. So that's a little bit, I guess, variance there, because it's going to actually coming out of Apple Music, but the rest of these three will come out of Amazon Music. So with that said, we're going to play Macklemore's Glorious, just a quick introduction part into the song on all four of them, the same parts. So I'm probably not going to say the wake word, so I don't trigger yours if you have one of these at home. I'm just going to use the button here. Turn the microphone off. Play Macklemore's Glorious. Oop. Play Macklemore's Glorious.
Playing Glorious, featuring Skylar Grey.
This is volume all the way up.
Library on Amazon
just to make
Music.
sure. So, the least powerful of any of the speakers.
You know I'm back, like I never left. Another sprint, another step.
Stop. So, very, very unpowerful. Now, my kids like to use this to listen to while they clean, and it worked fine in their rooms because they're just looking for that background kind of music. I kind of call this the elevator music of speakers because it's not loud at all. Let's go to the new generation Echo Dot, and you'll hear a direct comparison. Again, volume's all the way up. Play Glorious by Macklemore.
Here's Glorious, featuring Skylar Grey, from your library on Amazon Music.
Huge difference. And the quality is so much better too.
You know I'm back, like I never left. I never left. Another sprint, another step.
Stop. So that is the Echo Dots. And if you're considering an Echo product, if you're just looking for it to take commands, the Echo, the second gen for $29 is a steal. It really is. However, if you're looking to have any kind of audio quality, or for you be able to hear it over more people, do the Echo Dot third gen. It does have better microphones as well, so it does tend to pick up what you're saying better. That's what I've found so far. So that's for that. Now let's compare it. This is similar stature, so we're going to go the Home Mini. In this case, we are Bluetoothing. I have audio all the way up as well.
You know I'm back, like I never left. I never left. Another sprint, another step.
So much better than the Echo Dot second gen, just like we showed last year. This whooped on that. But you are talking about a fight here. You're going to be talking about, if we're talking about audio quality, I actually prefer the new third gen Echo Dot versus the Google Home Mini. But if you're using Google Assistant versus Amazon's Assistant, you're talking about, you're going to prefer one over the other. But Amazon finally stepped up its game and created a small speaker that rivals the Home Mini. The Home Mini. So that said, last one. Play Glorious by Macklemore. Oh.
I can't find Mac I Glorious.
Play Glorious by Macklemore.
Playing Glorious, featuring Skylar Grey, from your library, on Amazon Music.
So, without a doubt, better.
You know I'm back, like I never left. I never left. Another sprint, another step.
Stop. So that's the four speakers that I wanted to showcase at least to you. This of course is a big step up. We're talking from $49 to $99, although this sale price right now is going to be cheaper than that too. So definitely want to check out your local stores if you want to look at any of these speakers. The second gen stuff from Echo products are on sale right now because they're trying to get rid of them just to make way for all the new third gen stuff. So they did update this as well, but we're talking about the Echo Dot. It's much better than the original, and definitely a lot better than the second gen. So you're talking about definitely a progression that Amazon is making with their Echo Dot product, and I am all for it. That said, when the Echo Sub does come out, and whether or not I actually will get it, this is not a quality audio product. None of these are. Out of the four, this is the best. This is the second best, third best, and by far fourth worst, or the worst of the worst. You're not buying this to listen to music. If you're looking for something to just play audio for quality speakers, you're not going to buy one of these products. You just aren't. Even the highest end Echo, the Echo Plus, I'm not buying that to listen to music. I'm buying maybe the Google Home Max, I'm buying an Apple HomePod, I'm buying maybe a set of actual speakers that I'm going to tie in, or the Sonos. The Sonos One is a fantastic speaker that has Amazon's Assistant and will have Google's Assistant here shortly. So that's one of those things that if you're talking about quality of audio, these are just not there. But if you're talking about home assistants that can also play music and do a whole bunch of different things, out of the four of these, without breaking the bank, or obviously spending a lot more, the new Echo Dot is 2 thumbs up for what it is for $50. It's hard to beat it. It really is. But you got to know what its limitations are and what you're looking at. So, new Echo Dot. If you have any questions about that, I'm going to actually pull the plug real quick just to show you. I think I have that right down here. Yes. This is the new one. This is a 15-watt plug now. So, and this is one of my biggest pet peeves with all these products, aside from the previous generation Echo Dot, because that one actually, like I said, was just USB power. So while they gave you a brick, and I hate the size of this brick, to be honest, you could use any brick that had the 9-watt output that this has. So 15 watts, they're almost doubling the power to this device, but you do have to have this full, ugly, nasty plug. I hate that thing. That sucks. It takes up a lot of space. However, the big Echo as well also has a 21 watt, so you can see that this is going to absorb more power as well. Google, on the other hand, even with that little guy, I wonder if they put it in here. It's only like a 1.8 amps. But yeah, it's USB, micro USB powered. And the funny thing is, both of these are USB powered. And this one sounds so much better than this. So take that with a grain, I guess. But that's one last thing I wanted to show you real quick before we end this. Yeah, Echo Dot. Big upgrade. If you're looking to get a new Echo, look to the Echo Dot. Look to the new Echo as well. That's another option. Possibly we'll have a video on that here in the near future. Hopefully before the holidays if I can. But that said, guys, watch for the deals. If you see these go on sale, then obviously start grabbing those up. Great holiday gift as well. And I'm going to try to put another holiday gift guide together just like I did in the years past. But if you have any questions for me, please post those below. Subscribe to the channel. Share this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the new Echo Dot, the 3rd gen. If you have one of these, shout out. Let us know what you think. If you have any questions for me about this or any other videos, let me know below, or obviously head over to the techgooch.com and you can contact me directly. So thanks for all you guys stopping by here, and we'll catch you right here for another future video review. We'll see you soon.